Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix this error that confirm your identity before publish status Facebook page. First of all, watching this video tutorial, subscribe the channel. There is an easy way to solve this problem. Let's start our video tutorial. To face this problem, we want to publish on the Facebook page. For example, I want to publish this is convert it. Okay, posting. Continue internet. So you need to continue identity. So here I will show you on your computer. Desktop adapter. You can also do it on your phone. So here is an easy way. So you need to go to your Facebook page and then click on the right now. Now click settings and privacy. And then click settings. So click settings. Now the account center. Click password and security. You can also click personal details. Now click personal details. You can set identification, authentication also. But there are another click identity information. You can open a new tab. Will open a new tab. And here you need to confirm your identity. Click to and you can confirm your identity by showing your ID and click OK. Like that. Now follow the photos. Definition credit card, issue by logo, and choose this option, and another thing that I understand, password, manage certificate, request, and upload the stamp national ID card, issued by logo. You should load at least 1,500 multiply control figure inside photo. So you can drag it Canva open complete. After submitting the national ID, you have a login submitting. It will take 48 hours. The Facebook will send you a notification on your Facebook account. So wait, hopefully inshallah will be solved. This is like that, and we get the tip from there. From account center, password and security, personal details. On the account setting, you can get this information. It's not the end, thanks for watching the video.